Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can open Morgan Stanley account. So you simply need to search that onto the Google, that is Morgan Stanley, or you can use any browser, and then you need to open the first website, morganstanley.com. So once you are on that website, wait for a few seconds so that it can open. Okay, once you are here you can see client login. So here you can see different options. Click on Morgan Stanley online. So click on that. And once you are on that page, here you can see login to Morgan Stanley, username, password. Remember my username, login, create a username. So click here. And then you need to add your enter account number, last 4 digit of SSN. Then you need to click on continue. And then you need to complete the authenticate process, and after that you need to provide information and create your profile. Once your profile is created, you need to come here and add your username and password and click on login. So this is a process that you need to follow to open Morgan Stanley account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.